Hello everyone and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey McDougald with Meat and Potatoes Organizing, and we have just moved. My family and I moved, which also means we moved my home office for our organizing company. So just a couple of tips and tricks this week for things that we implemented that I think were really awesome and they've worked out great so far. The first thing I want to talk about is creating turntables for different meals. So an example of this is we created a breakfast turntable for my sons, and we put in their peanut butter, Nutella, their maple syrup, and anything they need to create some more independence. So they can go grab their toast, their bread, and then they can put any of their condiments on that they want. It's just really helping to get them a little bit more involved in the meal making process and helps me out a ton. So I want you to take those turntables, because you know I love a turntable, and we're gonna label them breakfast, maybe snacks, and even like dinner, so things that they can help you with. So really think about your kids on this one. What labels would they like? And then add those labels and let me know how it goes. We'll see you next week.